Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice indices problem. We have 2 raised to x and then we have x raised to 32 and both of them are equal to each other. So in order to find the value of x, basically let's try and shift all the variables on one side and all the constants on the other side. Now how I can do that? For that I need to take the xth root, or I need to basically multiply the indices by 1 upon x. Okay, so remember that in indices I know a raised to m, the whole raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. So this gets you 2 raised to x multiplied by 1 upon x is equals to we have x raised to 32 multiplied by 1 upon x. Okay, now what happens over here is that, see, you can cancel this x, and in order to shift the number on the other side, we will take the 32th root, 32nd root on both sides. Okay, so basically we got this as 1 upon 32 in both sides of the indices. So here what happened is this 32 and 32 got cancelled because eventually they are going to get multiplied. So basically now I have 2 raised to 1 upon 32 equals to x raised to 1 upon x. Now your job is that, see, remember that if you have a raised to a is equals to b raised to b, then from here I can say a equals to b. So now we have 2 raised to 32, right? 2 raised to 1 upon 32. So let's do one thing. We'll multiply both sides by 4. 1 upon 32 gets multiplied by 4 upon 4. Okay. So what we got over here is, here let the x raised to 1 upon x be the same. So now what happens over here is, let's write this 2 raised to 4 with the 2 and we'll multiply the 4 and 32 on the base. So we got this as 128. Okay, and here x raised to 1 upon x gets continued. And now see, 2 raised to 4 can be written as what? 2 raised to 4 can be written as 16. And we are having 1 upon 128 as the index. So again multiply the index by what? 2 upon 2. So see, my job is to make sure that the base and the index has the same number. Okay, so index may, the denominator should be the same as your base. Okay, because my job is to get them in this format. Okay, so here we have everything raised to x raised to 1 upon x. So now again we'll keep this way, 16 square the whole raised to 1 upon 128 getting multiplied by 2, that gets you 256. 256 equals to x raised to 1 upon x. So now 16 square is again 256 the whole raised to 1 upon 256 equals to x raised to 1 upon x. So now if you see, you have got this in the right format. You got this in the format which we wanted, that is a raised to a is equals to b raised to b. So from equating these two, we can say therefore value of x for this question is just 256. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.